Today we're playing Veil. Ay, I'm not playing that game. I'm not playing it. I'm probably just gonna... Ooh.
My magic flows as freely as the wind.
I'm playing
Chivalry is dead.
I'm playing this game.
I will choose my own path.
I absolutely love this hero, but the only bad thing about this hero is if you miss a single skill of the first skill, you can't use the passive anymore. Oh, anyways, we're playing Mayhem mode. So, see, it's Mayhem. Uh, that was look Kashiataki. Oh, I see. Another one of those funny user, huh? I'm just so. Yo guys, I just realized about this guy
Welcome
username.
to Mobile Legends. 5 seconds till the enemy reaches the
I'm just gonna
battlefield. Smash them, all troops deployed.
Timing. I'll burn heaven if the gods get in my way.
What's that user? Damn it. I'll get you next time, bro.
Whatever serves the purpose.
Ah! Dang it. I'm dead, I'm dead.
Like this time.
Hey, I'm not lagging,
An
yo.
enemy has been slain.
I'm obviously not lagging. Ah. This is actually my first time using this hero. So don't judge me, okay?
Ally has been slain.
This ain't my main. Too bad this passive is not the set like Lancelot slash ability.
This reminds me of the little street that leads us home.
Wala pa. Ah! Ayan na yung Natalia. I hate Natalia so bad. I can just rather dead if I do this. I'm even think I'm doing something wrong though.
Hypocrisy
An
fools
enemy
me
has
no
been
more
slain.
after all I've been through.
Oh, what kind of score is that? 0-2. Damn.
Once there was a place called home for me.
Oh, wait for him here. Second skill. Ah! I'm dead again. Am I? Wait, am I? Am I? Have you guys noticed this? What's wrong with the recall? I wonder what happened though.
The enemy has slain the turtle.
I'm just using a normal recall, but I don't know what happened. Yo, I ain't lagging, yo.
Betrayal.
I ain't lagging, yo.
The taste of it
I
too
ain't
well.
I promise I ain't yo lagging. I ain't lagging, yo. Like this. You're dead, you're dead.
Also a curse.
See, too easy. What I hate about Natalia
Ally has been slain.
in this
My fears against
arcade mode is it just too early. It's too early. I'm so dumb. It's okay, it's okay.
They say the reality of human
I know he would just come.
but I serve neither.
Okay,
An enemy
it's
has
not
been
me.
slain.
Not here. Yo, I ain't lagging. I ain't lagging.
Fears will run you through.
I'm not lagging. It's just your
Another starry
imagination.
night.
There was the other one. Oh. We'll just wait for him then. See? And you're dead. You're dead. Oh my god! Yo, ayan, doggy. Okay. Ooh,
My mission.
An
ooh,
ally
okay.
has slain the turtle.
There's someone nearby here. I guess this. Ah! Bro, how is bro not... Okay, it's good, it's good. What kind of internet is internet? What kind of
Enemy
CPU is this?
destroyed a
I
turret.
ain't lagging, yo. You'll just...
Mega kill.
Is bro dead or not? I do not know. I don't know.
Initiate retreat.
Yeah. Stop being... Ah! 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 Okay, bro's dead. How did bro dodge that? How did bro dodge that? Oh, he's not here. What?
This reminds me of the
What a
little
waste of
street that leads us home.
petrify.
Your team destroyed a turret.
Trail. I know the taste of it.
Ally has killing
Look at this guy.
spree.
Why is he pushing?
Our
You're an
turret has been
assassin fight, bro.
destroyed.
Oh, dang it. Wrong pick.
I'm proceeding full power spike and ski.
Ah!
I always hated this feeling.
Recall.
Too late this time.
An enemy has been slain.
My recall ain't that like that.
Mega kill.
Oh, I didn't. Wait. What? Possible hurt on special NPCs or mobs?
An ally has
I
slain
thought
the
that will work.
turret.
Come, bro. Come. Let's see how strong you are. Come on, funny. You're not funny, though. Okay. Yo, I ain't hanging. This ain't that flag. Dang it. This is not what I call happen. This is just a um this is just a bug.
Slain an enemy.
You're dying with me, bro. You're dying with me. I ain't letting you escape. You're dying with me. There we go. Oh, you're
Till
not
I
gonna
fulfill
teleport
my
into this.
promise.
Come on. And very calm though, because you're not very calm to the very first day. Come on. Oh, dang it. Oh, peek you. Oh, yeah. You're not escaping me,
Mega
bro.
kill.
Oh, yeah. Come fight me here. Come fight me. I ain't scared of
Your
y'all.
team destroyed the turret.
It's just a potato. I ain't scared of y'all. Come fight me here. Come fight me here. Come on, get out of that tower. Get out of that tower. Come yo, fight me yo. Come fight me. Easy. Come fight me yo. Come fight me yo.
Our turret
You
has
are
been destroyed.
scared. You're
Shut
a
down.
chicken. Chicken.
Your team destroyed
That's
a
being a
turret.
chicken. Okay, just excuse me for
Ally
a
has
moment.
been slain.
Just gonna post this. Just
They
sorry for
say
the
I'm the
wait,
duality of human
even
and
though
beast.
it
Ally
just
has
take
been
like 1 second
slain.
for y'all
Neither.
because I'm recording. It's teleporting to this. Come on, fight me, bro. Come fight me.
Enemy has been slain.
Come fight me. Dang it. Oh wait, I'm just gonna assess my. Wait for a moment.
Slain.
It's already 11 minutes, so we're just gonna end this game real quick. Don't forget to like and comments, guys, and also subscribe if you want more video like
Betrayal. I have
MLBB.
tasted it too well.
It's just a bug. I am not lagging.
An ally has
Oh, why
slain
can I
Lord.
teleport? I'm gonna kill this guy. I'm gonna kill this guy. Where is he? Where is he? I am again. Oh, it ends. Don't forget to like and share and comment, guys,
Victory!
for more video like this. I swear I am not lagging. Okay. Bye bye.